To use extension, first of all, we need to unzip an archive. Extract the folder from archive and then go to the folder. In the folder we see all materials for extension. Here we need to copy the path of the extension and go to the Opera browser. Click icon Opera and go to the extension step. Load and packet, and here paste our copied path. Select folder, and our extension has been added to the Opera. Now we can click on the top right side. Here all extensions, and here we can pin our extension. Okay, it's here. Now click on the extension, and first of all we need to register. Here think about some username. Okay, Gary, with password Espeliarmo. Sign up. Here we see the main settings of this extension. So hide selected videos. We will not see videos that we selected, and here are the settings for some videos is hide selected videos or hide series, some previous series of the video or all series. Now I will explain all of these settings. Let's go to the tab with some video. We need to first refresh all tab with YouTube channels. Okay. After refresh, our extension works with YouTube channels, and now we can open some channel. After we will open on the main page, we will see that paused the main video. This means that the extension already works. Go to the videos page. Okay, and see, for example, here we want to hide selected video. So for example, I want to hide this video. I will click right mouse button and I will select hide video. Okay, it's hidden. Also the same I can do with some other videos. For example, I will click on the name or on the icon of video here, hide video, and it's hidden. If I want to show it again, I will click on this checkbox. I will see it. And again hide. I hide it. Okay, now I will show you the next radio box is previous series. For example, we want to hide all previous series of some video. Here I see that this video has some series. Here is some part, so I can firstly copy this name of video and go to the page. Okay, I see it. So here I see 3 videos with the same name, but with other parts. I want to hide video until second part. So for this I need to select previous videos, this radio box, and then right mouse button on the videos that we want to hide. Click hide until this area, and we see that we hide it 2 series. Then show it again. Okay, 2 series hidden. If we want to hide all series of it, we click radio box all series and then right mouse button hide all series. So now we can see all of series that exist on this page. Okay, also we can do it with another page. Let's open another page. For example, random page, it's this one. Click videos, and we can hide here is something. Click selected videos to hide some video, and for example I want to hide this video. hide video, okay, and we don't see it. We will refresh the page to see if all changes are saved. Yes, now we can see it. Show it again. Okay, it works. Okay, now, for example, we want to hide some recommended videos. Let's go to this page, refresh, and now we want to hide, for example, here in recommended videos, all of series of this with this name. So we will click on this video, hide all series, and voila, we will refresh the page, and in the recommended videos we see that everything is hidden. Show it again and hide. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we see all settings here, and if, for example, we will close Opera and then open again, all our settings are saved. And here everything works. Okay, let's check how data looks in the database. I want to get column YouTube videos. Videos, and I will get column with nickname, where our nickname is Gary. Okay, go. And I see here two columns, nickname and YouTube videos that I hid before. Is a JSON format where we can see a YouTuber channel and videos that we hid before, also the series and part of the series. In this way, in part 0, this means that we hide all of series with this name. And another YouTuber have with other some videos that we hid. And all YouTubers, this means that in all of the pages where we can see recommended videos, we will hide these videos that here for now doesn't exist, but here exists name of videos and part with some series that we need to hide. Now I can show also if you will delete your extension. If you deleted your extension, you can load it again. Choose the folder with extension, select folder, again pin our extension and then click. You see the login page. Now we already registered and we can login. Here is Peliarmo. Okay, login. Okay, now we are, and we can see that everything is saved in database, so all our data works. Okay, all our data are saved and everything is perfect. So it works quite easy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.